Every product in this video has one job: keep you alive when everything else fails. Some you've seen in every prepper video. Some are in actual military kits. Comment "ready" if you already own one. Subscribe if you want to know what number 1 is. It fits in your pocket and works literally anywhere on Earth. Number 25. SABRE 3-in-1 Defense Spray, $18. Pepper gel, tear gas, and UV marking dye in one canister. The gel doesn't blow back in wind. If someone grabs you, the UV marks them for weeks. Police catch them later. $18 to not be a victim. Number 24. Überleben Zünden Ferro Rod, $18. Hardwood handle, 5/8" steel rod, 20,000 strikes. Showers 3,000-degree sparks. Anything dry catches. Started one of these in pouring rain using birch bark. If your lighter dies, this doesn't care. Last a lifetime. Number 23. UST BlastMatch Fire Starter, $17. This is the one-armed survivalist's pick. Spring-loaded, ignites with one hand. Your arm's broken, you're bleeding, pouring rain, one thumb, fire in 4 seconds. No other starter does that. Number 22. SUPRUS Plasma Arc Lighter, $13. USB-C rechargeable. Dual electric arcs, hot enough to melt steel, no flame to blow out. Windproof, waterproof, flashlight built in, emergency whistle on lanyard. Tested this in hurricane force wind. Next day, still 60% charge. Number 21. Soul Emergency Bivvy, $31. Mylar sleeping bag that packs to soda can size. Orange, Rescuer Spachu, 5 ounces. Reflects 90% body heat. Stranded and freezing, you crawl in, zip up. Heat returns in minutes. Alright, those 5 are survival basics. Next 20 are where it gets genuinely dangerous. Starting with the exact tourniquet the US Army issues to every soldier. Number 20. CAT Gen 7 Tourniquet, $34. The exact combat tourniquet US Army issues since 2005. Stops arterial bleeding in 20 seconds, self-applied, one hand. You're alone and bleeding out. This buys you time. One lives in my glove box. No excuse not to own one. Number 19. Vipertek VTS 989 Stun Gun Flashlight, $22. 300 lumen flashlight most nights. Stun gun capable of knocking down a grown man when needed. Fired mine once in a test. Dogs next door started barking immediately. That sound alone ends confrontations. Nightstand, bag, glove box. Number 18. Cold Steel Spetsnaz Shovel, $35. Copied from Soviet Special Forces design. Sharpened edges work as axe, pry bar, weapon. Dig trenches, split logs, hack roots. Watch this split a small log in one strike. Russians carried them in deep cover. Now it lives in your trunk. Number 17. LuminAID PackLite Max 2-in-1, $45. Inflatable solar lantern that charges your phone, flat as a book. Inflate, sun, by evening you've got 200 lumens and a charged phone. Founded to send lights to disaster zones. Ran mine for 2 nights on one charge. Hurricane kit essential. Number 16. Kaito KA500 Emergency Radio, $50. AM, FM, shortwave, NOAA weather, SOS beacon, flashlight, reading lamp. 5 power sources: solar, hand crank, battery, USB, AC. You turn it on in a hurricane, you hear alerts when everyone's phone signal is dead. In 10 years, this is still running in your basement kit. Number 15. Baofeng BF F8 HP ham radio, $45. When cell towers die, and they will in any real disaster, this still works. 8 watts of dual band transmit, VHF and UHF. Preppers and operators pass these around like snacks. Pass an FCC test, and you're talking to ships, planes, operators worldwide. Invisible communication grid. Number 14. Solo Stove Lite, $60. Twig-burning rocket stove. No gas, no fuel, no canister. Drop in dead sticks, light it, and the double-wall design gasifies smoke into a clean flame. Cooked ramen on mine last camping trip, 8 minutes. Lost in the woods. This is how you cook. Number 13. Fiskars X27 Splitting Axe, $70. 36-inch shock-absorbing handle, forged steel head shaped for splitting. Convex blade pops logs apart like they offended it. Used mine 3 winters. 0 chips, still razor sharp. In a grid-down winter, this is how you heat your house. Number 12. GRAYL GeoPress Purifier, $100. Scoop any water, puddle, creek, stagnant pond. Press for 8 seconds. Safe to drink. Filters viruses, bacteria, protozoa, chemicals, microplastics. Watched a guy demo this with pond scum, sipped without hesitating. Most filters don't kill viruses. This one does. Number 11. Gerber Ultimate Survival Knife, $49. Fixed blade with a sheath doing 4 jobs. Ferro rod built-in, diamond sharpener, 100 decibel whistle, strap slot. Sheath alone could be its own product. Knife is fine edge plus serrated. Cut, saw, pry. Every kit needs one knife. This is it. Top 10. If these are saving your mental map right now, tap like. Takes 1 second. Helps the algorithm show this to people who need it. And comment your wildest survival scenario. We read them. Number 10 is what the bushcraft community calls the knife. Number 10. Morakniv Garberg, $100. Swedish-made full-tang bushcraft knife. This is what r/bushcraft people argue about knives against. Sandvik stainless steel, Scandi grind that carves wood like it's soap. I've built shelters, processed firewood, field-dressed game with this exact knife. One tool, one weight, does everything. Mora gets the knife question right. Number 9. AquaQuest Defender Tarp, $110. 20,000 millimeters waterproof rating, tape seams, 20 tie-out loops. Rig it as A-frame, lean-to, hammock fly, ground cloth, or poncho. The hydrostatic rating means rain can't get through. My dad has one that's been through 5 hurricanes, still factory fresh, better than most tents. Number 8. Silky GomBoy 240 Folding Saw, $70. Japanese tool steel, medium teeth on a 9.5-inch blade. Cuts on the pull stroke, faster, cleaner than any Western saw. Drops a 4-inch branch in under 10 seconds. The saw every bushcraft YouTuber secretly carries. Number 7. MYFAK Large, $277. Real trauma kit. 150 items organized like a military medic. Tourniquet, chest seals, trauma shears, sutures, burn gel, airway. Not the Band-Aid box under your sink. This is what EMTs actually carry. Overkill until the day it isn't. Number 6. Survivor Filter Pro X, $100. Battery-powered filter pumps 17 ounces of purified water per minute. 3-stage filtration plus UVC kills viruses most straws miss. Runs on AA batteries or hand pump when battery dies. Tested it on swamp water. Came through clear as glass. Top 5. These are where survival gear stops being budget-friendly and starts being genuinely life-saving. Drop your number 1 guess in the comments. You're probably wrong. Also, tap like one more time if you've stayed this long. It actually matters. Number 5. BioLite CampStove 2 Plus, $300. Burns wood. Also charges your phone. Internal thermoelectric generator converts heat into USB electricity in real time. 3 watts continuous. Cook dinner, charge your phone, store extra power. No grid, no propane. Just sticks and fire. If I had to pick one holy shit product here, this is it. Number 4. Garmin Instinct 2 Solar, $320. Smartwatch that charges itself. GPS, altimeter, barometer, compass, 40+ sports modes. Solar lens on the bezel extends battery to 28 days in smartwatch mode. Forever outdoors. Military standard 810 tough. Dropped mine off a rock climb, still ticking. 30 times the battery life of an Apple Watch. Charges from sunlight. Number 3. MSR Guardian Purifier, $390. Military grade. Developed for U.S. military squads in contaminated zones. Pumps 2.5 liters per minute. Treats 10,000 liters lifetime. Self-cleans on every stroke. No back flushing, no scrubbing. Meets NSFP 248, the Pentagon's test standard. Purifies streams running through contaminated zones. Worst possible water, best possible filter. Number 2. Olight Marauder 2, $330. 14,000 lumens out of a flashlight the size of a soda can. Lights up a football field. I'm not exaggerating. Spot beam hits 845 yards. Flood turns night into noon. Built-in battery. USB-C charging. Walking home at 2 a.m. Someone in the bushes. Hit the strobe. Nothing competes with 14,000 lumens in your palm. 24 covered. Number 1 is already saving lives in helicopters, ships, backcountry packs right now. You've probably never heard of it. Number 1. Garmin inReach Messenger, $279. Reason 1. Works literally anywhere on Earth. Iridium satellite network. North Pole, South Pole, middle of the Pacific, Amazon. Your phone is a dead brick in most of the world. This is not. Reason 2. Two-way satellite text. Message family. Send coordinates. Coordinate rescue. Not a one-shot SOS. Reason 3. Press one button. Garmin's 24/7 team dispatches helicopters and search teams to your GPS. Global rescue on demand. Looks like a car key fob. Costs less than a PlayStation. The day you need it, it's the only thing between you and the grave. Buy one thing from this list. Make it this. Which one are you buying? Comment below. If this saved you a mistake, hit like. Helps others find it. Subscribe. Next week, I'm covering 20 car gadgets. Links below. Don't let these sit in your cart. The gear only works when it's already home.